Do you know what the early signs of liver cirrhosis are? It's a question that could potentially save your life. Liver cirrhosis is a severe condition that stems from the late stage of scarring on the liver. This scarring can be the result of a variety of liver diseases and conditions, including hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. As the cirrhosis progresses, more scar tissue forms, making it increasingly challenging for the liver to function as it should. This can lead to a host of complications if left untreated, ranging from malnutrition to kidney problems, decreased immune health, and frequent infections. In the worst-case scenario, it could even pave the way for liver cancer. Knowing the early signs of liver cirrhosis is crucial for early detection and intervention. It could make the difference between a manageable condition and a life-threatening one. So it's paramount we familiarize ourselves with these signs. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 early signs of liver cirrhosis. The first sign to look out for is general weakness. Now, you might wonder, what's the connection between feeling weak and liver cirrhosis? Well, the liver is a vital organ that performs numerous functions, including filtering toxins from the blood, aiding digestion, and producing proteins for blood clotting. When cirrhosis sets in, the liver's ability to perform these tasks efficiently is compromised. As the disease progresses, more and more scar tissue replaces the healthy liver tissue, further hampering the liver's functionality. This results in the body not receiving the necessary nutrients it needs to function optimally, leading to an overall feeling of weakness. You might feel lethargic, fatigued, and have reduced endurance for physical activities. Even simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries can feel like a Herculean effort. This isn't the usual tiredness that comes after a long day or a strenuous workout. It's a persistent, nagging weakness that doesn't go away with rest or sleep. So remember, if you're experiencing persistent weakness, it may be time to get a liver checkup. Your body might be trying to tell you something important about your liver health. Don't ignore it. Next up, we have muscle weakness. Now you might be wondering, how does a liver condition like cirrhosis result in something as seemingly unrelated as muscle weakness? Well, the answer lies in the liver's role in our body's nutrition. You see, our liver is a major player when it comes to processing the nutrients we consume. It's like the manager of a bustling restaurant, making sure everything runs smoothly. But when liver cirrhosis enters the scene, it's like the manager suddenly falling ill. The restaurant starts to falter and the tasks aren't completed as efficiently. In the same way, a liver affected by cirrhosis struggles to process nutrients properly. And when our body doesn't receive the right nutrients in the right amounts, our muscles can weaken as a result. It's like trying to run a car without enough fuel. Sooner or later, it's going to sputter and stall. That's why muscle weakness can be a significant sign of liver cirrhosis. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. So if you've been feeling weaker than usual, especially in your muscles, it's important to listen to your body. Don't ignore muscle weakness, especially if it's coupled with general weakness. It might just be your body's way of flagging down a potentially serious health issue. The third early sign is the appearance of spider veins. Now you might wonder, why spider veins? Well, let's delve into the science of it. When the liver is under stress due to diseases like cirrhosis, it struggles to metabolize hormones efficiently. This can lead to an increase in estrogen levels in the body. Estrogen, being a vasodilator, causes the blood vessels to expand. This expansion is often visible on the skin surface in the form of spider veins. They are called so because of their web-like appearance. Commonly appearing on the chest and face, these small dilated blood vessels might seem harmless, even aesthetic to some, but they could be signaling a deeper issue. And that's where it's crucial to understand the connection. Spider veins are not just about skin-deep beauty or a minor skin issue. They could be an external manifestation of an internal struggle your liver is going through. So the next time you spot a web of spider veins, don't dismiss them as just another skin anomaly. Spider veins may seem harmless, but they could be a sign of underlying liver disease. Fourth on our list is itchy skin. Now this might seem like an odd symptom of liver cirrhosis, but let's delve into why it happens. When your liver is healthy, it processes a substance called bile, which helps with digestion. However, in the case of liver cirrhosis, the liver's ability to process and eliminate bile is compromised. This can lead to a buildup of bile salts within the skin, and it's these bile salts that can cause your skin to become itchy. You might notice an incessant itch, one that doesn't seem to go away with your regular moisturizing routine. It could be all over your body or concentrated in specific areas. This itchiness can sometimes be worse at night, and it can be so severe that it interrupts your sleep. Remember, your skin is the largest organ of your body and it often reflects what's going on inside. So, if you're experiencing persistent itchy skin, it's worth considering that your liver might be trying to tell you something. Itchy skin might be more than just dryness. It could be your liver sending a distress signal. The fifth sign to watch out for is jaundice. Now, jaundice isn't a disease in itself, but rather a symptom of underlying conditions, one of which can be liver cirrhosis. It manifests as a distinct yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes. But how does this happen? Well, when our liver is healthy, it processes a substance called bilirubin, a byproduct of the breakdown of old red blood cells. However, when the liver is damaged by conditions like cirrhosis, it struggles to effectively process this bilirubin. Consequently, the excess bilirubin enters the bloodstream and deposits in the skin and eyes, giving them that characteristic yellow tint. So, if you observe a yellowish tinge to your skin or eyes, it's not something to brush off. It's your body signaling that your liver might be in distress. Remember, early detection can make a world of difference when dealing with liver cirrhosis. Jaundice is a clear sign that your liver is struggling and needs attention. Next, we have easy bruising. It may seem like a minor inconvenience, but did you know it could be a sign of something more serious? When your liver is healthy, it produces proteins necessary for blood clotting. However, as cirrhosis progresses, your liver's ability to produce these proteins can be hindered. This can lead to a condition known as coagulopathy, where your body is unable to clot blood as efficiently as it should. The result? You bruise more easily. Even a light bump or scrape that would normally leave no mark can result in a noticeable bruise. But what's a bruise really? It's basically a small internal bleed. When blood vessels under your skin are damaged and leak, the blood gets trapped, creating that familiar black and blue mark. So easy bruising isn't just about unsightly spots. It's a sign that your body isn't properly managing blood flow and clotting. Remember, your skin is like a billboard, broadcasting what's happening inside your body. If you're bruising more easily than usual, it might be time to check on your liver. Finally, the seventh early sign of liver cirrhosis is a loss of appetite. Now let's delve a little deeper into why this happens. As cirrhosis advances, it can disrupt the normal functioning of your liver. This disruption can affect your body's metabolic processes and impede the production of bile, a substance that helps your body digest food. Consequently, this can lead to a decrease in your desire to eat. When you're not eating as much as you usually do, it's natural that you might start to lose weight. And while weight loss might seem like a silver lining to some, it's important to understand that this isn't a healthy or sustainable way to lose weight. In fact, it can lead to malnutrition, which can further weaken your body and make it more susceptible to infections and other complications. Now, it's crucial to note that loss of appetite doesn't automatically mean you have liver cirrhosis. However, it is a symptom that should not be taken lightly, particularly if it's coupled with other signs we've discussed today. A sudden or unexplained loss of appetite could be a signal from your liver. Understanding these early signs of liver cirrhosis could potentially save your life. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. We've explored the 7 early signs of liver cirrhosis, a serious condition that often stems from liver diseases and conditions like hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. As cirrhosis progresses, your liver, an essential organ for your overall health, struggles to function due to the increasing amounts of scar tissue. The consequences can be severe, leading to malnutrition, kidney issues, a weakened immune system, frequent infections, and even liver cancer. The first sign we discussed was general weakness. This is more than just feeling tired after a long day. It's a persistent feeling of fatigue and lethargy that doesn't seem to go away no matter how much you rest. Next, we looked at muscle weakness. This isn't just about struggling to lift heavy objects. It's a consistent difficulty in performing everyday tasks that were once easy for you. The third sign is the appearance of spider veins. These are small, dilated blood vessels that appear under the skin and resemble the web of a spider. They can be a clear indication that something is not quite right with your liver. Following that, we discussed itchy skin. Persistent itchiness, particularly without any visible rash or irritation, can be a sign of liver problems. Jaundice, the fifth sign, is a yellowing of the skin and eyes due to a buildup of a substance called bilirubin in the blood. This is a clear sign that your liver is struggling to do its job. The sixth sign is easy bruising. If you find that you're bruising more easily than usual, it could be because your liver isn't producing enough of the proteins needed for blood clotting. Finally, we discussed loss of appetite. If you're consistently not feeling hungry or are experiencing significant weight loss, it's important to seek medical advice, as this could be a sign of liver cirrhosis. These signs serve as a warning system, alerting us that something might be off balance in our bodies. It's crucial to listen to these signals and not ignore them. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional. Early detection and treatment are key to managing liver cirrhosis and ensuring a healthier future. Remember, your liver is vital to your health. Don't ignore these signs. Take action and get checked.